You are watching your favorite YouTube channel Primary Ke Punk. Good morning you all. I am Tarkeshwar Pandey welcoming you all in this channel. I hope you all are fine and healthy. Today we are going to start a new chapter of mathematics. The name of this chapter is Does It Look the Same? This chapter is very interesting because in this chapter we have to play with different shapes and pictures. The target learning outcomes of this chapter are: number 1, students will observe and describe the simple geometrical patterns. Students will observe and describe the simple geometrical patterns. Number 2, students will identify symmetrical means mirror halves image and non-symmetrical shapes. Once again, students will identify symmetrical and non-symmetrical shapes, alphabets, etc. And number 3, students will understand the clockwise and anti-clockwise half turn, 1/3 turn and 1/4 turn. Once again, students will understand the clockwise and anti-clockwise half turn, 1/3 turn and 1/4 turn. It means after watching this video, you will learn about these 3 target learning outcomes. Before starting this chapter, I want to show an image of a butterfly. Can you look properly this butterfly on your mobile screen? What are you looking? Has this butterfly 2 parts? Can the half part of this butterfly cover the other half part of this butterfly? Yes, very good. Your answer is also correct. The half part of this butterfly can fully cover the other half part. Now think about your textbook of mathematics. Can upper part of mathematics pages cover completely the other lower part? Very good. Yes, it covers the lower part. It means there are different things around us in which the half part exactly covers the other half part without remaining any area. Now know about symmetrical figures or symmetrical pictures. When the half part of a picture covers exactly the other half part without remaining the area is called symmetrical picture. Once again, when the half part of a picture covers exactly the other half part without remaining the area is called symmetrical picture. Now know about symmetrical objects or symmetrical things. When the half part of an object covers exactly the other half part without remaining the area is called symmetrical objects or symmetrical things. Once again, when the half part of an object covers exactly the other half part without remaining the area is called symmetrical objects or symmetrical things. In the same way, if a shape can be folded in half so that one half fits exactly on top of the other, then we say that the shape has got line symmetry or mirror halves. Now look this picture on your mobile screen. What are you looking? Does the half part of this picture cover the other half? If you fold it along with the dotted line, one half will cover the other similar half completely. So, the 2 here are mirror halves. Now know about the line of symmetry. The line of the middle of a symmetrical picture is called the line of symmetry. Once again, the line of the middle of a symmetrical picture is called the line of symmetry. When you look this picture on your mobile screen, the fold of this picture is called a line of symmetry. The picture which you are looking has got a vertical line of symmetry. It means there are different types of line of symmetry, such as vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, corner to corner line of symmetry, etc. Symmetrical pictures are also known as mirror halves. When we cover the half part of a notebook to the other part of the same notebook, then it covers the half part exactly without remaining any part. So we can easily say that notebook is a symmetrical object and the line of the middle part of the notebook is known as line of symmetry. Some examples of symmetrical objects: a piece of A4 sheet, your textbook pages, your face, rectangle, square, equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, etc. Now once again, some examples of symmetrical objects. Number 1, a piece of A4 sheet. Number 2, your textbook pages. Number 3, your face. Number 4, rectangle. Number 5, square. Number 6, equilateral triangle. Number 7, isosceles triangle, etc. Now look on your mobile screen. The symmetrical capital letters and the line of symmetry of these letters. Here you can look on your mobile screen the capital letters of English alphabet from A to Z. Here you can look 26 letters from A to Z. You can look the red dotted line by which the mirror halves or line of symmetry will represent on your English letters. So you can know that there is one line of symmetry in letter A. There is one line of symmetry in letter B. There is one line of symmetry in letter C. In letter D, there is only one line of symmetry. In letter E, there is also one line of symmetry. In letter F, there is no any line of symmetry. In letter G, there is no any line of symmetry. In letter H, you can look two lines of symmetry. In letter I, you can also look two lines of symmetry. In letter J, there is zero line of symmetry. In letter K, there is zero line of symmetry. In letter L, there is zero line of symmetry. In letter M, you can look one line of symmetry. In letter N, there is no any line of symmetry. In letter O, there are two lines of symmetry. In letter P, there is zero line of symmetry. In letter Q, there is zero line of symmetry. In letter R, there is zero line of symmetry. In letter S, there is zero line of symmetry. In letter T, there is one line of symmetry. In letter U, there is one line of symmetry. In letter V, there is one line of symmetry. In letter W, there is one line of symmetry. In letter X, there are two lines of symmetry. In letter Y, there is only one line of symmetry. In letter Z, there is no any line of symmetry. It means you can say how many lines of symmetry are there in letter from A to Z. So, for revision of lines of symmetry in English alphabet from letter A to Z, now I want to repeat once again firstly that how many lines of symmetry are there in each letter. Try to remember the number of lines of symmetry in each letter because it is most important for you. A, B, C, D and E. These all letters have only one line of symmetry. F and G have 0, 0 line of symmetry. H and I have 2 lines of symmetry. J, K and L have 0 line of symmetry. M has 1 line of symmetry. N, O, P, Q, R, S. N, O, P, Q, R and S have no any line of symmetry. T has 1 line of symmetry. U, V and W have 1 line of symmetry. X has 2 lines of symmetry. Y has 1 line of symmetry and Z has 0 line of symmetry. So we can easily say that there may be different lines of symmetry in a figure. The line of symmetry may be vertical, means up to down. Vertical means up to down. Horizontal means left to right. Horizontal means left to right. And corner to corner is the other line of symmetry. It means the line of symmetry may be vertical, horizontal or corner to corner. Now know the number of line of symmetry in different regular polygons. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. An equilateral triangle has 3 lines of symmetry. A square has 4 lines of symmetry. A regular pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. A regular hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. A regular heptagon has 7 lines of symmetry. A regular octagon has 8 lines of symmetry. A regular nonagon has 9 lines of symmetry. A regular decagon has 10 lines of symmetry. It means the number of symmetrical lines or the number of line of symmetry in regular polygon are same as the number of sides. As you can look here, in equilateral triangle there are 3 line segments. It means an equilateral triangle has 3 sides. So there are 3 lines of symmetry also available in equilateral triangle. You can look here, square is a regular polygon and a square has 4 line segments, means 4 sides has the square. So a square has 4 lines of symmetry. As the same pentagon has 5 sides, so pentagon has 5 lines of symmetry. Hexagon has 6 sides, so hexagon has 6 lines of symmetry. Heptagon has 7 sides, so heptagon has 7 lines of symmetry. Octagon has 8 sides, so octagon has 8 lines of symmetry. Nonagon has 9 sides, so nonagon has 9 lines of symmetry. As the same decagon has 10 sides, so decagon has 10 lines of symmetry. It means you can easily say that in regular polygon, the number of sides are equal to the number of lines of symmetry. Now we are going to know about number of lines of symmetry in some regular and irregular figures, so you can know easily about this. So know a scalene triangle has no any line of symmetry. A scalene triangle has no any line of symmetry. An isosceles triangle has 1 line of symmetry. An isosceles triangle has 1 line of symmetry. A rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. A rectangle has 2 lines of symmetry. Vertical and horizontal both. A kite has 1 line of symmetry. A rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry. A kite has 1 line of symmetry. A rhombus has 2 lines of symmetry. A circle has infinite lines of symmetry. You can divide a circle from any part. So there are different lines of symmetry in a circle you cannot count. So you can say a circle has unlimited lines of symmetry or a circle has infinite lines of symmetry. If a picture has no any line of symmetry, then we can say that picture asymmetrical picture or non-symmetrical picture. Know once again about this concept. If a picture has no any line of symmetry, then we can say that picture as asymmetrical picture. It means an asymmetrical picture has no any line of symmetry. A symmetrical shape is also known as non-symmetrical shapes. Now know about clockwise and anti-clockwise turn. First of all, know about the clockwise turn. If a picture turns in the direction of a clock, then it is called clockwise turn. Once again, if a picture turns in the direction of a clock, then it is called clockwise turn. Like from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Like this. This is known as in the direction of clock. So we can say this is clockwise direction. Okay. So if a picture turns like 1, 2, 3, 4 in clock, but when a picture turns in the opposite direction of a clock, then it is called anti-clockwise. It means when a picture turns in the opposite direction of a clock, then we can say anti-clockwise direction. You can easily know about this with the help of a clock. When a picture turns in a clock in the opposite direction of clock, then we can say anti-clockwise direction. It means from 12 to 1. It means 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, like this. So then you can say anti-clockwise direction. Now know about the turns. A complete turn means 360 degree. As you known in your previous class, your chapter number 2, shapes and angles, the angle which measurement is 360 degree is called complete angle. So a complete turn means 360 degree. A half turn means 180 degree, because the half of 360 degree is 180 degree. A 1/3 turn means 120 degree, because when we divide 360 by 3, then it will be 120. So we can say 1/3 turn means 120 degree. And a 1/4 turn means 90 degree, because when we divide 360 by 4, then it will be 90. So we can say 90 degree as 1/4 turn. Now know about different turns on your mobile screen. 45 degree, 90 degree, 135 degree, 180 degree, 225 degree, 270 degree, 315 degree and 360 degree. When a picture moves one step, then its degree measure will be 45 degree. When a picture moves 2 steps, then its degree measure will be 90 degree. When a picture moves 3 steps, then its degree measure will be 135 degree. When a picture moves 4 steps, then its degree measure will be 180 degree. When a picture moves 5 steps, then its degree measure will be 225 degree. When a picture moves 6 steps, then its degree measure will be 270 degree. When a picture moves 7 steps, then its degree measure will be 315 degree. And when a picture moves 8 steps, then its degree measure will be 360 degree. 8 steps means the complete turns. You can also say that the picture comes on the same place after the turns, then it will be of 360 degree. So 360 degree is known as complete turn, or 360 degree is known as the position from the picture starts to move and comes to the same position, then it is called complete turn or 360 degree turn. So now a question arises here. How can you say clockwise movement or anti-clockwise movement? When a picture moves from one place to another place, then find the nearest movement. The nearest movement will be the direction for the movement of the picture. Suppose a picture turns from one place to other place and it is in the direction of clock, so you can say clockwise direction. It means 1, 2, 3. And when a picture turns from one place to another place in the opposite direction of the clock, then you can say this is anti-clockwise direction. A single turns may be clockwise and anti-clockwise both. But you have to find the shortest way to go from one place to other place of a picture. The shortest way will decide the direction of the movement for the picture. So try to know what is the shortest way for the movement of this picture and then say the turn of the picture. Either it is clockwise or it is anti-clockwise. Okay. So in this video we have known different 3 concepts related to our chapter. Does it look the same? We have known about observation and description of simple geometrical patterns. We have also known in this video identification of symmetrical and non-symmetrical shapes, alphabets, etc. And we have also known about understanding of clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. We have also known about the turn, half turn, 1/3 turn, 1/4 turn, complete turn. Now know one important thing in this video, that what is the difference between symmetrical and asymmetrical pictures. This is a very simple concept. Symmetrical pictures are those pictures which half part can fully cover the other half part without remaining any area. But asymmetrical pictures are those pictures which half part cannot cover the other half part completely. So you can say the picture which is not symmetrical is called asymmetrical pictures. So symmetrical and asymmetrical both are opposite terms. Symmetrical pictures means when half part covers the other half part completely, but asymmetrical pictures means when the half part does not cover the other half part, then we can say asymmetrical picture. Asymmetrical picture is also known as non-symmetrical picture. So now in the next video we will know about some simple questions related to this chapter. So that's all for today. In this video we have finished all the concepts related to this chapter. So that's all for today. We will meet shortly in our next video related to this chapter. So for that time I want to wish you all have a good day. Goodbye.